Trying to heal from a broken relationship that meant something to you may be a very painful experience. Yes, losing someone that we loved hurts. We all know it. It's even more painful when both of us know that nothing can be done to fix the relationship than it's been done forever. So, if you are facing such a situation, you have to turn the page and move forward, even though you will suffer while doing that. This video will help you with that process, and if you watch until the end, you will master a real method for healing your broken heart. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below I subscribed, so we can welcome you. Let's start. The searing pain of a failed relationship is one of the greatest sufferings many of us will ever experience. You will find confusing moments where you don't know what to do, what to think, and you can even feel that you will never fall in love again. So, if you want to turn the page, you have to be strong and follow some steps until you feel better day by day. And through this video, I will show you how to do it. Here are 10 steps to healing your broken heart. Step number 1. Accept the pain. Accepting your pain is the very first step when you want to recover from the situation that's hurting you. Remember that you have lost someone very important to you, so it's normal to suffer from that. Don't hold back your tears when they come. You are a human being and crying is generally what we do when we feel bad. Step number 2. Change your habits. Now you are no longer hanging out with the person, you have to break all the connections you had with your ex. For that, you have to change some habits. For example, you can get rid of something that reminds you of your loved one, or you can delete their number from your phone. It all depends on you since it's your situation. But whatever you can do to remove all the things that still link you to your ex, do it. Make a new and fresh environment that will make you feel better. Step number 3. Change your thoughts. Being heartbroken can make you feel hopeless and worthless, and that's because of the frame from which you're seeing your broken relationship. So, stop seeing it as the end of your happiness. Consider it an opportunity to meet new people and find the real love that was meant for you. The way you see your broken heart situation will have a huge impact on your healing process. Thus, if you commit to considering it as a new exciting adventure where you will experience new and amazing feelings, you will feel better quicker than you think. Step number 4. View your relationship from the outside. This exercise still includes your thoughts, but for a learning purpose. Indeed, learning from your failed relationship is one of the best things you can do for yourself. This situation might be an opportunity for you to learn about running a good relationship. Take a step back, take a look at the story of that relationship, and see all the errors that you made, and commit to not making them anymore. By doing so, you will be a better partner in your next relationship. Yeah, believe me, there will be another one. Life is so great. Step number 5. Fall out of love for good. A huge part of being heartbroken is that you still feel in love. You feel bad because part of you is still attached to your ex. This is where changing your habits can be very useful. Stop looking at the past so you can move forward. I can't tell you to instantly delete all the memories you have with your boyfriend or girlfriend. It's nearly impossible in this context. But you can always see it with an open mind. First, acknowledge that a part of you is still attached to them is normal, then learn to live with that feeling. Time will do the rest while you change your environment and your thoughts. Step number 6. Do appreciate the good memories. Even if your relationship ended on a sour note, chances are it was not all bad. It's normal to look back at what was good about it, and you may find you miss certain things about your ex and the love you shared. At the same time, you may feel overwhelmed by the space that's left when the relationship ends or harbor resentment about what happened that led to its dissolution. Writing out these shifts in emotions is part of the healing process. When a happy memory comes up, allow yourself to be grateful for it, then move on. Step number 7. Do reevaluate your needs. Following a breakup is a good time to think about your wants and needs in a romantic relationship. You may find it helpful to journal or make lists. It can be painful to admit that your previous relationship wasn't able to meet your needs. Taking the time to honestly reflect can be hard work, but once you do, you'll be able to clarify the qualities to look for in a future partner. Step number 8. Don't just jump into a rebound relationship. You may feel a sense of urgency about finding a new romantic partner, but so-called rebound relationships prevent you from working through your previous one. If you don't take time to reflect on a relationship that has recently ended, you may end up repeating patterns or making the same mistakes in a new one. It can be hard to break free from old ways of thinking and behaving, even if you know it's not helpful. But recognition is the first step to making changes. Like I said before, your heartbroken situation is a great opportunity to learn more about yourself, your feelings, and your emotions. So make the effort to get the most out of me. And believe me, it's never a good idea to get into a new relationship just to forget your ex. Step number 9. Believe that you will find love again. This is a huge mistake to think that your ex is the only one you could ever love. Believe me, that can't be true on a planet with 7 billion people. If you are thinking in such a way, it's probably because you loved your ex and you are afraid that this feeling of a broken heart will never end. But don't get me wrong, there are a lot of beautiful people out there whom you could fall in love with within no time. Your future perfect love partner is probably out there waiting for you to make you happy forever. It's not the end of the world. Just get some fresh air, meet new people, and your heart will be more than happy to fall in love again when the occasion occurs. Step number 10. Living happily after you break up. Living happily after you have turned the page is the final step of your healing process. Now you are ready to experience your new life. You have to be positive. The best will come in the future. Put that in your mind. It's the phase where you have to take care of yourself because it's the most important. Do something that you like through your daily routine. It could be reading some books, learning something you have always wanted to learn, or cooking some delicious dishes. Another activity you could do, which is one of the most useful, is exercising. Doing some exercise, particularly in the morning, will put some fresh oxygen in your brain and improve your mood. Then you will be stronger to follow the whole healing process. Conclusion. To conclude, if you follow those 10 steps, you will go through your recovery process more easily and with confidence. You won't do it in just one day, so take all the time that is required. There are a ton of people who have been in the same situation as you. They have been healed from it and now they are living the relationship of their dream. Don't get discouraged. If you have a real friend who has been here for you, spend time with him or her and I guarantee you that things will be better. If you have experienced such a situation in your life, or if you have any suggestions so others can benefit from it, let us know in the comments section below. It's also very important to support each other. We would be more than happy to know about your story. I hope you learned a lot through this video. Hit the like button if you found the content useful. Make sure to get your free copy of the Body Language Secrets ebook by clicking the link in the description of this video. We are giving the ebook for free only to our loyal subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos and the links in the description for more interesting psychology topics. Thanks for watching.